Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man see down panny black and iron mates. See down panny black and iron mates. I man see down panny black and iron mates. Wagwan Jamaica. So I man say greetings, you know. And it was Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah! Over Jaira. Skip the intro. Welcome to Meds. So I man sit down on the black and iron meds, you know. And I up on the Twitter and the Facebook and the Instagram. I just a pass through, you know, because I don't, them bangarang, you know, I don't do the Babylon system. But I have to see what is going on in the world so I can give them a proper meds of what is going on. And then I tour through Instagram a couple times and all I see is people talking about this US election. These are Jamaicans talking about US election. We can vote. We don't have citizenship. We don't have social. I like how the world invest in the US election. But in the one election, they won't even talk about it. When election I go on, the world are numb and dumb. But as soon as Trump come out and as soon as Biden go in, everybody have talk. I like how they go on. Meds. We don't really care about the civil rights of Jamaica, you know. We only care about what America is doing. So as soon as America say Black Lives Matter, it does matter. But as soon as them say Black Lives Matter and Blackout Tuesday, everybody black out them Instagram, them Twitter and them Facebook. But when people are dead off in Jamaica, I'm not saying we post that people stop dead. When people go missing, I'm not saying we send on the posters them and all these things. We're most careful, you know. Someone who's a sellout, you know. Someone who just want to go find and go live. Someone who's a sellout and that sellout, just a 30 piece of silver. Just see, you know. Rasta Jats, you know.